Great morning, Master Designers. Tonight we're gonna draw Thumb Wrestling Federation Senistra We're gonna draw the Senistra Game Master himself, Corbota. Codenames Video Game Wizard. This guy relies on cheat codes in order to claim victory, in order to beat his enemies. But those cheat codes never work. Besides, you can't get anything out of cheating. Insane, right? This guy has beaten every video game in the known universe. Along with, well... I don't know... Well, basically this guy has beaten games involving Star Wars, Space Invaders Frenzy, and well... I don't know why. I hope he didn't play E.T. the video game. From what I've heard, that game was forbidden to be involved in stores. And also, it kind of sucked in the old days. I'd play it if it was more, open to the public. Anyways, that is how you draw the Corbota's mask.